What's up, everybody? I wanted to do a little video on the evolution of the CK MaceWorks Cadi. It's not the craziest story, but so a few years ago, I was getting into kettlebell sport and I was having a lot of tricep issues. They were getting real knotted up because there's so much overhead lifting. And I was told to try mace swinging. I looked into it a little bit and decided I would weld a bolt onto the end of a pipe and then put weight plates on it. So this is the first one. It's got just a simple little flat washer welded on the bottom, and just I machined the end of a 1-inch bolt and welded it onto this end. The handle is a 3/4 pipe. It's actually, I think, an oddball pipe. It's a real light wall. But this was the beginning, and then we upgraded to the first version of the Cadi, which is still a similar external loading pin. And I got it drilled with roll pins in there so it can't come out. And then I got the knurling. And then we have these I made these giant pommels that I welded on the bottom. And so this was the Cadi for several years, actually 2 years, I think. And the whole time we've been wanting to do the internal thread style, but I just thought it would be kind of too hard to figure out how to do it and keep the nut on there straight. But eventually I had to try it, and I just figured it out. And then now we have the Cadi we all know and love that is internally threaded with this little guy right here. Bigger pipe, more comfortable in the hands, and obviously functions so much better. And it is just such a good swing. But that's the evolution of the Cadi. So if you like this video, like it, subscribe, follow us, and check everything out.